Alright, so today we're going to be working on making a RSO coconut oil tincture. I saw this in a video. It's about 5 years old. I wanted to redo it and kind of get it on so you guys could see, and I'm doing it for the first time, so it's going to be kind of cool. So we're going to be using the coconut oil right there, which is liquid, you know. Then we got our bottle that we need to use. So, and what we're going to do is we're going to fill it up with this, and then take the coconut oil. We're going to double boil it in here. This new RSO that I just made. So stay tuned. So now what we're going to do is we're going to measure out the coconut oil in a good shape. And we want to make sure that it fills this. I want to leave enough room because we're going to be adding 2 grams of RSO oil. That's why I put the paper towel in. I didn't want that to happen. Okay, so we're going to take this. Oh, we're going to be warming up. This is our coconut oil. And then there's the water. We just want to get it enough to simmer so we can add the RSO. Alright, so now while it's still warm, we want to get it into its home. So I'm going to give it one more stir. And then we're going to pour.